Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions, creating content, or simply pushing your laptop to its limits, knowing exactly how it performs is the key. Many people rely on generic benchmarking scores, but those often miss the mark for your specific device. So the question is, how to accurately benchmark your laptop and get reliable results? If you have the same question, then you have come to the right place. My name is Prakhar, you're watching Gizmo Rush, and today I'm going to walk you through how to run a personalized benchmarking test on your laptop. This is not a generic benchmarking test. Instead, I will run personalized benchmarking tests to give you the results that actually matter. Let's dive in and get started. What is benchmarking? If you're new around here, then let me tell you what benchmarking is. In simple terms, a benchmark test is a way to measure the performance of your laptop. It pushes your device to its limits and evaluates various aspects like CPU, GPU, and RAM to give you a score that reflects its overall performance. The next step is choosing the right benchmarking software for your laptop. Whether you have an office laptop or a gaming beast, the right benchmarking software can help you to understand the strengths and weaknesses of your laptop. There are several popular options out there like Cinebench, Geekbench, and 3D Mark for your overall system performance. Here's a quick rundown of the tools that can be used for different purposes. Intel XTU. It's an in-house benchmarking app of Intel to measure your laptop's performance. Cinebench. Great for CPU benchmarking, especially if you do a lot of rendering and complex calculations. Geekbench. A versatile tool that measures CPU and GPU performance. 3D Mark. Ideal for gamers, it focuses on GPU performance and rendering power. MSI Afterburner. It's a dedicated open source software for gamers that shows the real-time benchmarking stats during gameplay. These tools are great starting points, but what's important is customizing the tests to mimic the workloads you usually run. Now, let me show you how to perform a personalized benchmarking test on a laptop. In this video, I'll be using the Cinebench R23 for CPU benchmarking tests. The Cinebench R23 allows you to run single-core and multi-core CPU tests to see how your laptop handles rendering tasks. But to make it more relevant, you can try to run the test while you have an open video editing software in the background. This simulates a real-world scenario where you might be multitasking while editing. The same trick can be used for testing out the GPU of your gaming laptop. Some modern games like Horizon Zero Dawn, Cyberpunk 2077, Crysis Remastered, etc. come with a built-in benchmarking features. Talking about the games, I have created a detailed gaming test video of my Acer Nitro V15 gaming laptop, which you can check out by hitting the I button. Once you have run your test, you will have a lot of data to sift through. But don't worry, interpreting these results isn't as complicated as it seems. For CPU tests, look for the score indication, multi-score, and single-core performance. A higher score generally means better performance. For GPU, pay attention to the frame rates and rendering scores. These tell you how well your laptop can handle graphic-intensive tasks. And remember, it's not just about the numbers. Think about how these results translate into real-world performance. For example, if you're a gamer, a high GPU score should mean smoother gameplay at higher settings. If you're a content creator, a high CPU score could mean better multitasking. Now that you have your results, it's time to optimize. If your laptop isn't performing as well as you'd like, there are a few things that you can do. You can consider upgrading the hardware of your laptop, like adding more RAM or switching to a SSD if you haven't already. For instance, if your GPU is the bottleneck, then you might want to lower in-game graphics settings or disable unnecessary background tasks, and uninstalling unnecessary apps may help you improve your laptop's capabilities. And that's it. Running a personalized benchmarking test isn't just about getting the highest scores. It's about understanding your laptop's strengths and weaknesses so you can optimize it to get the most out of your laptop. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more tech tips and tricks. Also, watch these related videos from our channel. Until next time, keep pushing those limits.